an amazing journey. Road through India, a start of the trip. And the past vacation I went in a road through India. I took a flight from the city of Monteria to Bogota. Then from there I boarded a plane from Miami to the city of New Delhi in India. I was very happy because I was my first international trip. Journey to Agra. To get to Agra, I had to take a train because I was faster. I took my 2 hours to get there. I have never traveled I want. It was an unforgettable experience. To visit Jaipur from Agra, I traveled to Jaipur where its main attractions are elephants, they are huge animals. Traveling in very comfortable car, I was very easy to get there. I returned to my phone on the router in India. And finally, I arrived again at New Delhi. By boat to return to my home too. I really enjoyed my trip. I was a wonderful trip where I got to know different cultures, foods, and different attractions. Thank you.